If you're heading to Abu Dhabi this weekend, pay close attention. For just 3 days, Louvre Abu Dhabi is completely free to enter. In celebration of International Museum Day coming up on May 18th, starting today, the 16th, to the 18th, admission to major museums in the Saadiyat Cultural District is absolutely zero. But is it just free entry? From special guided tours and VR experiences to art workshops and outdoor live performances, it's truly a massive festival. Most importantly, if you visit now, you can enjoy the massive Picasso the Figure special exhibition featuring over 130 artworks entirely for free. This is truly an opportunity you will regret missing. Because of these incredible perks, the site is currently packed with massive crowds. If you're planning to visit, you absolutely must head out earlier and allow yourself more time than usual. We hope you have a spectacular time in Abu Dhabi this weekend, where art and festivities meet. Add this to your itinerary right now.